Hello students, after completion the explanation of PR series double consonants from chapter number 11, आज हम करेंगे exercise number 65 and 66. So exercise 65 में ये कुछ साइंस दिया हुआ है, मैं आपको बता देती हूँ किस चीज़ के हैं. ये पाउंड का साइन है और अगर आप नीचे explanation में देखेंगे S this sign is used here for pounds and S is used here for shillings and D is used here for pence. लेकिन हमको इसको ऐसे प्रोनाउंस ना करके सिर्फ पाउंड्स का साइन देकर बाकी की नंबर्स लिखने हैं. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज नंबर 65 ऑन द स्पीड ऑफ 60 वर्ड्स पर मिनट. बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. This newspaper tries to bring to its readers the truth and nothing but the truth. We are sorry to have to trouble you, but we notice that you have charged pounds 22 by 10 by 6 for your catalog item number 463, which you supplied to us on 16th October. In your price list, the item is listed at pounds 21 by 10 by 6. A credit of £1 is thus due to us. This is evidently an error in billing. Thank you for bringing to our notice the error in the bill of 16th October for 4 oak chairs. We are enclosing our credit note for £1 and we apologize for the trouble to which we have put you. Dear sir, we are glad to know that you wish to be a member of our club. As manager of the club, I wish you to feel at liberty to use our facilities until you are elected a member. Your name is to be proposed next week. Yours truly. Next is exercise number 66 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear sirs, during the month of April, we propose to increase the prices of a number of the items at present in the catalogue. The increases are necessary because of the higher costs we now have to absorb. If your branch is going to issue a new catalogue, you should not proceed with it until you have the new prices. Please remember that you must not issue your list until we post you the new prices. yours truly. So these are the next two exercises of chapter number 11 double consonant PR series. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.